Alright, so we got a quick unboxing of the VidScan 64-ounce water bottle. Let's get right to it. You have it here so you have a perspective of what it looks like. It looks like it's just a regular packaging. Put that aside. Alright, so you see here, nice big bottle. It's got your markings for the ounces throughout the day, reminding you to drink water every 2 hours at least. So you see there, nice handle. One of the good things about this is a BPA free, so that's one of the good things that you want to look for in bottles there when you're trying to use those, so that way it's non-toxic. Make sure you don't have any toxicities in the water that you're drinking. So that's always a good plus. So as you see here, you have a nice wide mouth, so you can easy to clean. In there you got your straw and the regular cap here, so it should be unscrewable here. And once you have it, it's just a straight and simple for the straw. So one of the good things about this is not only that you have the straw, but you can actually use this as a cup. So it's pretty convenient if you don't want to be lugging it around. So you see there, once you tighten it, you got to secure, seal here, and then you use the handle as a cup. So not too many bottles that you're able to do this with, so that's always a plus. So looks like this is probably going to come out very handy. So if you're in the market for a nice bottle, pretty convenient, kind of a little bit versatile here. Looks like this bottle will be the bottle for you to get. So I know I'm going to enjoy it using this here. I just wanted to get one that it's nice, inexpensive. Usually in that same range. You can probably end up going to Walmart, things like that, or places like that. And most big bottles like this come around that same range. So obviously it's depending on your liking. But for me, this looks like it will be a good fit here. So hope you enjoy it just like I did.